All right, so we're still in Fern Gully.
No, you're in Walkerswood.
Oh yeah, I am in Walkerswood.
Yeah, you're in Walkerswood right now.
Yeah, here's Walkerswood. Yeah. So, tell me about yourself.
Yeah, I'm only about self-employed.
Self-employed entrepreneur.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Odin Mattis.
It's nice to meet you, Odane. So
You too.
I have a YouTube channel that I just post like different local stuff while I'm rolling around Jamaica.
Yeah, that's good.
So people need to stop here and get a drink so you can see you got a little bit of everything.
Yeah.
What do you keep in your freezer?
Keep juice in this one. Yeah, so you can get some cold juice.
Nice.
Yeah, we have liquors and beers and
You have grabba for smokers?
yeah, weed and everything.
All right, good.
Yeah.
So how long you been doing this?
About 3 months now.
And how are you making out?
Well, it's going good so far. Can't complain.
That's excellent. Excellent. You like this better than working for somebody else?
Yeah.
All right, so you're going to make your own way in this world.
Yeah.
All right, bless
Hopefully
up.
so. You too.
Appreciate it.
Yeah.